Here are the fans and air conditioners running. Today is May 18th, 2025. It's a relatively decent day outside. Got temps in the 60s right now, so it's fairly decent outside. It's just very damp from the bit of rain that we did have today. We're going to start off with the Marvin Model 1015 Premier Screen Window Fan. Got that running, pulling in nice fresh air for the upstairs to keep it cool. There's the model information, so you can just turn your screen or whatever. But we're going to do the same here. Show you the information tag. This is a very good fan. It's powerful, moves plenty of air, and it's great for use in the windows. So I highly recommend, if you find one of these, put it to good use. And to further assist the cooling, we got the 1970s first generation Galaxy oscillating fan. Got that running on medium. Brings the cool air from the Marvin. Shoots it through the hole upstairs to keep everything cool. So it's a very, very nice fan. Works super well. Runs just as it should. What an awesome fan. Here we got the Lakewood Model 1200A. Got that circulating the rest of the air downstairs, so it helps keep the downstairs cool as well. This fan was given to me by the Alco 244. It's a very, very nice fan. I was looking for one of these for quite some time, and here it is. Galaxy was a trash find. Down here we got the 52-inch no brand ceiling fan. Helping to keep air circulating around. Helps get a nice cool breeze into the house. Here we got the, pardon the camera lens cleaning. Here we got the 12-inch tabletop fan. This is a retro design. So it looks like an old fan, but it's not. But the retro look makes it look like an antique. It's a very nice fan. It moves a decent amount of air, and it runs pretty good. And here we got the Lasco 9021. This is the model 9021 oscillating pedestal fan. Moves a very decent amount of air for a 18-inch fan. Moves up to 1300 CFM, which is pretty good. Here we got the inverter air conditioner, which is soon to be installed. It's a 12,000 BTU. In the kitchen, we have the Hampton Bay 52-inch ceiling fan running, keeping the air nice and moving, well, nice and cool, and it's also keeping the air moving. It's a very, very good fan. It's powerful, it's quiet, moves a decent amount of air. And running air conditioners on dehumidification duty, we got the 1978 Comfort Air Quiet Master Heat Controller. Got it running on low cool. This is a 29,000 BTUs per hour. This thing is a monster of a machine. Here's our job with heating and cooling requirements. As you can see, our suction line is nice and sweaty, which is good. Compressor is running smooth. It's not hot all over. In fact, it's very reasonable. Now this one we did have to do some patchwork due to it being kind of rotted on the bottom. So we did have to do some patchwork there, but patchwork came out pretty well. It's definitely getting more into the condenser. Still have that side to do, which we are going to do that. But overall, Comfort Air Quiet Master is coming along pretty good. Unfortunately, the GE Super Thrust is not running today. We did have it running yesterday a little bit. See, we got some condensate from yesterday's operation. The GE Super Thrust is 10,500 BTUs per hour, so it's a good size unit. It's on the smaller 24-inch chassis, which I think is surprising. I think that's pretty good for an air conditioner, especially a classic one from the early 70s like this. It is definitely a very good machine. It moves plenty of air. What an awesome machine. For a 10,000 BTU, it's definitely a great air conditioner. Comfort Air Quiet Master, you can see we're pretty much sweating all the way through, which is good. We've got the heater on low heat to keep the thermostat warm, because it did get a little bit cooler last night than expected, which is kind of unfortunate. You know, we didn't have this running at all yesterday since the GE was running. But today the Comfort Air is needed. The only AC we got running today, providing heat to the shop. So that was good. Oh, real quick, now I'm going to show you the info tag on the page. There's your information tag. Take a look at that. So yeah, that's going to do it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you for more.